Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will do unboxing and quick review of Motorola Moto E14. So let's start. As you can see, phone came with a silicone clear case pre-installed from the factory. The color of the phone is pastel green. Back cover and edges are made of plastic material, also the buttons. But this is expected as this is budget phone. And this plastic is pretty sturdy, so no problem here. On the back side we have 13 megapixel camera. The second circle is not the camera, it is just the flash. On the right side we have volume rocker and power button. On the bottom we have speaker, USB-C connector and microphone. And on the left side we have a SIM card slot, which is for 2 SIM cards and memory card. And on the top we have headphone jack. There is 6.5 inch screen in front. It's IPS technology, 90 Hz, HD plus resolution. It's covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, so it is a little bit scratch resistant too. Inside the phone we have 8-core CPU, 1.6 GHz, 2 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. There is mentioned that phone have 4 GB RAM with RAM boost. That means that you can configure 2 additional gigs of RAM virtually. So you have 2 GB chip inside and you can configure these 2 GB from your internal storage. This can help with multitasking, but it is not fast memory. So it's always better to have 4 gigs on a chip instead of this solution, but is what it is. Inside this phone is also 5000 mAh battery, which is pretty nice for a phone of this price range. Okay, now we can check what inside the box, because there is some accessories. We have some booklets. There is charger, which is not standard in today. It's 10 watt, European version. There is also a cable, which is USB-A on one side and USB-C on the other side. The charger have USB-A connector, so this one is for charger and the other one is for your phone. And here is also the SIM ejection tool. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, thumbs up, and for more content like this, please subscribe. Bye.